Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of Docker once again, but with a twist. I will be showcasing how Docker enables us to run containerized applications seamlessly on different machines without the headache of environment configuration or dependency management. For demonstration, I have created a separate virtual machine which I named it as VM2, where we will be just installing Docker. And apart from Docker, we will not be installing anything else, neither Java version, neither Maven. So let's install Docker on the VM2 as well. So sudo apt install docker.io. Okay, so we need to update the packages before installing. Sudo apt update. Okay, now once the packages are updated, we can install Docker again. So now see we are able to install without any error. So let's wait for installation completion. Okay, so we see that is installed. Let's check the Docker version over here. Okay, so yeah, this confirmed that Docker has been installed. Perfect. Now remember our demo project from last video. We are going to push that image to Docker Hub so it's accessible for anywhere by anyone. So for that we need to switch back to VM1. So to view the Docker images, let's check what all images we have on the VM1. Okay, so we remember from last video that we have created this image demo underscore project with the latest tag. So what I will do is I will tag this Docker image name, the local name, with the new name compatible to the Docker Hub repository. So let's tag it over here. Docker tag. I will take this name from here. The tag was latest, so I will put as latest. And I will tag it against name demo underscore project with the latest tag as well. So for an overview of this command, what we are doing is we are tagging this local project on our machine with a name that is compatible to the Docker Hub repository. So I have already created a Docker Hub account where my username is Ajay Sharma 7, and according to the username after slash we are creating the name of the repository or name of the image. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, this is completed. So once this is completed, we need to push this image to Docker Hub so that it's available for everyone. But for pushing this, we need to log into Docker Hub via command lines. So for logging in, we can use command docker login -u and the username Sharma7. It will ask for password. So let me enter the password for this. Okay, so after entering our password, it says login succeeded. Now, as we have got access to Docker Hub via command line, we are ready for pushing the image that we created. So for pushing the image, we can use a command docker push and Ajay Sharma 7 demo underscore project latest. This is the one that we tagged. So let's hit this. Okay, so the push refers to repository this and image does not exist locally with the tag this. Okay, so let's check that. Okay, I can view Docker images. Okay, so we can see there was a typo. There was not, there was, mm, okay, yeah, O is not present in project. So I will copy this, and from here I will push this image to Docker Hub. Okay, so we see that the image has been pushed. So let's check the Docker Hub now. Okay, so this, let me go to the repositories. Okay, so we see that now we have a repository Ajay Sharma 7/Jamo project, and it's a public repository. So now what we can do is we can go to VM2. So in this VM only Docker is installed, nothing else. So to double check that, let's see the Java version. So it confirms that Java is not installed. Let's confirm Maven. Maven is also not installed, but we already have a Docker version. So docker-v. So Docker is installed. Now on this machine, we can pull the image that we push on the Docker Hub and which is present publicly. So for pulling the image, the command was docker pull Ajay Sharma 7 slash demo underscore project. Okay, so it's permission denied. Yeah, so that was expected because we are running as our own user. So remember, for running Docker commands, we need to have either root access, or we need to be added into a Docker group. So for ease, let's take the root access and run the command again. Okay, so we see it's downloading the image. Let's wait for its completion. Okay, now it's completed. Let's check the images that we have now. Okay, so this image we have pulled from Docker Hub. Now we have the Docker image that was created on VM1. Now it's time to run that container. So for running the container, we will use docker run -d name demo proj container VM2. I am giving this name to the container. I want it to be run on 8080 host port, and application will be running on 8080 on container port. And the name of the image, so that I can select from here and hit enter. So we see we got this number. So if we run docker ps, it shows the our running image. So to check our application, what we need to do is we will go into this over here take the public IP address of VM2, open a new browser, paste it and access 8080 post. And here it is. We can see Hello World application which is up and running on VM2 as well. And there you have it. We have demonstrated how Docker makes it effortless to deploy containerized applications across different machines without the headache of environment setup or dependency management. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Docker tutorial and tips. See you in next video.